P is employed to represent party. Ready? Start. Birthday party. Children's party. Garden party. Parliamentary party. Party government. Political party. PR is employed to represent professor. Professor Jackson. Professor Morgan. Professor Peak. Professor of Chemistry. Professor of Commerce. Professor of Music. B is employed to represent bank, bankment, bill. Bank bills. Bank of England. Bank passbook. Bank rate. City bank. Mercantile bank. Penny bank. Savings bank. Sea embankment. Thames embankment. Finance bill. Education bill. T is employed to represent attention. Best attention. Careful attention. Early attention. Early attention to the matter. My attention has been called. Necessary attention. Special attention. Your attention. D is employed to represent department. Department of Agriculture. Electrical department. Engineering department. Foreign department. Government department. Life department. Shipping department. Silk department. CH is employed to represent Chancery. Chancery appeal. Chancery proceedings. Chancery judge. Into Chancery. J is employed to represent journal. Journal of Commerce. Journal of Education. Medical journal. School journal. Textile journal. Weekly journal. K is employed to represent company, council, capital, captain. Barber and Company. Carriage company. Delivery company. Gas Company Limited. Malleable Iron Company Limited. Weaving Company Limited. Borough Council. Cabinet Council. Councils of the Party. County Council. Parish Council. Party Councils. Privy Council. Town Council. Authorized Capital. Capital Charge. Capital Expenditure. Capital Punishment. Capital Receipts. Share Capital. Captain Cook. Captain Dixon. Captain in the Army. Captain of the ship. Captain of the team. Ship's captain. KR is employed to represent Cornell Corporation. Cornell Anderson. Cornell Jackson. Investment Corporation. Corporation of Leeds. G is employed to represent government. British government. French government. Government official. Municipal government. F is employed to represent form. Entry form. Form of acknowledgement. Form of agreement. Form of bequest. Form of government. Form of the report. Medical form. Necessary form. V is employed to represent valuation. Low valuation. Valuation of the property. Valuation of the site. Site valuation. TH is employed to represent authority, month. Authority of the manager. Authority of the representative. Legal authority. Local authority. Military authorities. Sanitary authority. Well-known authority. Written authority. For a month. In a month's time. Many months ago. Some months ago. S is employed to represent society. Dramatic Society. Hearts of Oak Society. Medical Society. Society of Compositors. Society of Musicians. Temperance Society. M is employed to represent mark major. Auditor's mark. High water mark. Low water mark. Mark of respect. Official mark. Private mark. Save the mark. To mark time. Major and son. Major General. Major Jones. Sergeant Major Jones. N is employed to represent national. National affair. National bank. National defense. National desire. National disaster. National dividend. National finance. National reserve. National revenue. National society. L is employed to represent liberal limited. Liberal club. Liberal party. Liberal policy. Liberal discount. Liberal payment. Liberal view. Pierce Limited. Lupine Limited. R down is employed to represent arranged, arrangement. Better arrangement. I shall arrange. If you can arrange. It was arranged. Please make arrangements. We will arrange the matter. R up is employed to represent railway, required, requirement. Metropolitan Railway. Railway company. Railway facilities. Railway official. Railway rates. Railway ticket. railway time, railway timetable, to meet the requirements, do you require, if he required, SR is employed to represent conservative, conservative club, conservative government, conservative party, conservative policy. Stop.